so that the debate doesn't get boring. Maulana Hasrat Mohani was an eminent Urdu lyricist of his time. And if all of us, most of us have heard Chupke Chupke Raat Din Aansu Bahana Yaad Hai. That is by Maulana Hasrat Mohani. I don't want to sing it. I know my limitations, and I'll spare all of you on the lightest. Then, but there are several good lyrics, good Urdu ghazals and nazams written by Maulana Hasrat Mohani. Yes, yes. The question is very important. That why are you discriminating from people of one state and people of other? And your lordships would be shocked when I show the discrimination. We have analyzed, my lord, how the provisions were selectively picked up, modified, and applied to one state. And I'm not saying that my power is taken away or state's power is taken away. So far, the residents of Jammu and Kashmir were being deprived of what I will show to your lordship. Till 5th of August 2009. The Honorable Sri N. Gopala Swami Iyengar, he replies, the discrimination is due to special conditions of Kashmir. That particular state is not yet ripe for this kind of integration. It is the hope of everyone here that in due course, even Jammu and Kashmir will become ripe for the same sort of integration as has taken place in case of other states. Cheers. At present, it is not possible to achieve that integration. There are various reasons why this is not possible now. I shall refer again to this later. Please note this, but then after acceptance of 370, B. Shankar expressed his disappointment at the passing of the special provision. Sardar Patel summoned him to lunch. The description of the same meeting in my Reminiscences of Sardar by Vishnu Shankar is as under. His principal secretary, who was Secretary Jammu and Kashmir and became the Cabinet Secretary. Please note, read one by one, beautiful words. As soon as I was seated, Sardar spoke. So you are annoyed with me for having accepted Gopala Swami's formula. I queried that if he felt that way, why did he not indicate his mind earlier? He said, see the maturity of the man and the statesmanship. I was deeply concerned at the situation. Gopala Swami had acted under Panditji's advice. If Jawaharlal were here, we could have had it out of him. But how could I do so with Gopala Swami, who was only acting under orders? If I did, people would have said that I was taking revenge on his confidence when he was away. Gopala Swami had appealed to me for help. How could I have let him down in absence of his chief? Since my Prime Minister is not present, I'll not let him down since my Prime Minister is out of the country. I then asked why he had let down the country and other states whose constituent assemblies had been scrapped in accordance with his advice and policy. He conceded the validity of the criticism but pointed out the delicate international position of the state and the issue of its relationship with India. We felt that the present situation had to be tied over without giving up the eventuality, and this had been done under the formula. Please note this, my lord, this only Sardar could have spoken. And now